Okay, so let's learn about some tricks and tips about MIT App Inventor. So we can see this is the app, okay, you are working. So whenever you publish your app on the Play Store, make sure whenever you need to update your app, you need to go to the project properties and always change that version. Suppose the previous version is 1 before creating the AV file, you need to just make sure the 2, or you can change the version also. So suppose 1.5, 1.5, 1.4 like this. So you can increase that version. Okay. So make sure do this. Now, first thing. Second thing is, suppose you can see that I have a screen 1, right? So I don't want that one title. So in the right side, you will see the option of title visible. So you can just turn it off to remove the title from your app. Now, sometimes you create a games, okay, and your game will be in a landscape. So what you can do here, in the right side, you will see here the option of default screen, okay. So screen orientation, you can see, so you can just select the landscape like this, and whenever the user open your app, that will automatically screen will go like this, okay. So this is you can do whenever you want to create a games app. So always prefer to do this like this, okay. Now let's go to the block section. In the right side, you can see the backpack. Let's click on this, and here you can save your code, okay. Suppose I have written some code, suppose that maths or that's control logic, I just say it, okay. Now I want to use this multiple times, okay. So what I'll do in the another project also, so what I'll do, just right click on that, add to backpack like this, done. Now let me just open the another new project, okay, new project too. Now I want to use that code, okay. Let's go to the block section, click on the backpack, and you can see this is the code if condition, if else condition, if that condition you have saved, okay. Here is it, right. So you can save that code and you can reuse that code in any app. So these are the some simple tricks of MIT App Inventor. In the next video, we will learn about the more tricks and tips about MIT App Inventor. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.